Children, hope you are fine and doing well. So in the previous class, we were doing the lesson after 20 years. So we will continue today. So before moving out, let's have a brief recap of the previous class. So in the previous class, we have seen the policeman on the beat. We have seen that a duty of policeman is to keep a track of the people. So where they are going, from where they are coming. So one day one policeman found a man standing there. Okay, so now let's know who is the man and what he is doing there. Already he told the man that he is waiting for his friend to come. Okay, so here let's have a look. So today we will continue with page number 41. So here, 20 years ago tonight, said the man, I dined here. So here the man said that 20 years before, 20 years ago, tonight, this night only, the man said that I dined at. So have turn the next page. I dined at Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy Wells. So he said that before 20 years ago, tonight itself, I dined in this place. With whom? With Big Joe Brady's with Jimmy. Then, well, my best chum and the finest chap in the world, he and I were raised here in New York. So this man said that I and my friend, both of them, we were raised in this place. We were grown up in this place, that is in New York. Just like two brothers together. I was 18 and Jimmy was 20. So just like, though we are friends, but we are like a family member, just like a brother. So we were grown up together. So I was 18 and Jimmy was 20. So the next morning I was to start for the west to make my fortune. So the next morning what happened? I was to start to the west. That means I have to go to the west to make my fortune, to make my career. So you could not have dragged Jimmy out of New York. He thought it was the only place on earth. So I could not take, that means I could not take Jimmy with me. I cannot drag Jimmy with me to New York because Jimmy thought that it is the only place on the earth. There is no place on the earth. It is only place on the earth. Well, we agreed that night that we would meet here again, exactly 20 years from the date and time, no matter what our condition might be or from what distance we might have to come. My goodness me. So, they promised 20 years ago that they depart. When they depart, Joe and Jimmy, Joe said to Jimmy that 20 years, today, this night, on this day and this time and the same place, we will meet together. So they promised one another. So this man, Joe, was waiting for Jimmy. So they had made a promise. So children, at the time, there were no mobile phones. They cannot talk or they cannot send message. Just now, means now itself, at present, what is happening, that if you want something or if you want to know the informations of your family members, know about the news of your near and dear ones, you just take your mobile phone for a second, you can ring, yes or no? So in a few seconds you can get the message from them. Here, this at the time, they don't have any mobile phone, no telephone too. So before going, they promise each other that today itself, on this day, suppose today is Tuesday. So today I am making promise that after 20 years, today, that 12 on Tuesday, we will meet here. On August, that 12 on Tuesday, we will meet in this place. And what time? At 10:30 this way. Okay, they have made a promise. So Joe was waiting for Jim. So each of us out to have our destiny work out and our fortune made, whatever they were going to be. So whatever may be the condition, whether I will be rich, whether I will be poor, or whatever I am or whatever I have earned, but we will meet together in this day. It sounds pretty interesting, said the policeman. So the policeman who was inquiring to Joe, he said that, oh, it is very interesting. What you are saying, it is very interesting. Whatever you are saying, it is very interesting. So it sound pretty interesting, said the policeman. Rather a long time between meeting, though it seemed to me. Haven't you heard from your friend since you left? So the policeman asked to Joe, okay, you are saying that is very interesting. So have you heard? Haven't you heard? These long days, these long years back, you haven't heard about your friend? He asked to Joe. Then, well, yes, for a time we corresponded, said the other. But after a year or two, we lost track of each other. So, before a few years ago, we were responding to one another. But after a year or 1 year or 2 years back, we lost our conversation, we lost our communication, we lost the track of each other. You see, the West is a pretty big proposition and I keep hustling around over it pretty lively. So he said, you please have a look that wherever I am living, that is in West, so it is a very big place. That is kept hustling around over it pretty lively means a very big place, travel around lot and lead a hectic life. So it is a very big place in West. So I don't know wherever I'm moving. Today I will be in this place, tomorrow I may be in another place, so that way. So that's why we lost the track of each other. But I know Jimmy will meet me here if he is alive, for he always was the truest. But I know, I have a faith, I have a belief that my friend Jimmy, if he will be alive, he is going to come here because I trust him. Staunchest old chap. Staunchest old chap means most faithful person in the world. So Joe said that Jimmy is the most faithful person for him in the world. He will never forget whatever we promise, he said. I came 1,000 miles to stand in this door tonight, and it's worth it if my old partner turns up. So from 1,000 miles, I'm standing here, and in this door tonight, I'm standing here itself for what? I believe my friend Jimmy will come. And if he come, the standing, whatever I am doing the hard work, though I am tired, I am standing here, but if he come, this will not turn in waste. It will be worth. Okay, my old partners turn up, then it will be worth. I hope so. Till here, up to here, you are clear with the explanation. If you have any problem regarding this, you can call me. I will clear your doubt. Okay, and children, I have attached a PDF file with the question answers of I remember. So whatever I have left out, the question answers I have given in the PDF file. Please have a look and jot down in your notebook and submit me during your clarification hour. I hope so you are clear with this. So we will catch in the next class. Have a nice day.